if you're watching this, you're probably on our Purevision YouTube channel, or at least one of our Purevision affiliate stations. We're up at the beautiful Willow Springs racetrack, the smaller track called the Streets of Willow. And we're doing a couple of things today. One, the big honor that we're doing our photo shoot with Hot Rod Magazine, the biggie. The second thing is we're actually going to go take the car on the track. Now, before you get all worked up and salivating all over the place, we're not going to ream fully on it. This is the first time out. We're going to be cautious with it because we honestly don't know its limitations. We fiddled around last night with Tom Nelson. He came up and went a little further with a laptop tune on the car driving around. We found some things that we need to be cautious of. We also have determined we need a different bore master cylinder for the front. So, you know, we're going to go out and have some spirited fun, but we're definitely not going to go for broke. But it's going to be a great opportunity to see the car out on the track, have some fun with it, and of course, get in Hot Rod Magazine.
End of discussion. We can go for a whole lot of fun though.
Yeah. Asked him whether he was Holman or Moody, and he said you were Moody.
Yeah, that's perfect. I am. He'll be Holman, I'll be Moody. Good morning.
He's got his little lunchbox of animal crackers.
Breakfast of race drivers everywhere.
Yeah, this is track snack of champions. Your traditional Burnham animal cracker.
Which don't they do different things? Like, you know, the giraffe does something, and
yeah, no, I don't know, man.
better in the corners. But the giraffe's good in the corners, or the cheetah's like real good down the straight, or something.
Yeah, I guess. I'm just a big polar bear, I guess. Just a big goofy white thing that likes the cold.
It looks straight. Let's go.
right there, Mr. Hot Shoe, and gave us a little bit of feedback. One thing we already knew is we need to change out the bore size in the master cylinder, but the rest of it, you're feeling pretty good. On the big track, it would have been better with a softer spring in the rear, and probably a little better braking due to our master cylinder problem.
Definitely, yes.
Yeah, but other than that, good first go around for a fresh car.
Yeah, I had a lot of grip in the front. I was surprised, and yeah, everything felt good.
And a lot of power.
A lot of power. Surprised me.
That Kazi motor's got a lot of torque, man.
Man, you gotta baby that thing. So.
Yeah, you have to be real careful. As we found going out on the entrance road, he's like, sideways, sideways. I'm like, easy trigger, easy trigger.
I didn't have to try. I could have been in a second gear coming out.
Oh, yeah. Well, thank you, Aaron. Thanks, man. Thanks for the input, man.
Oh, that was fun.
All right. So we're going to be winding down the day here at Willow Springs with the Anvil Mustang. Now we're going to do a couple of more photographs with Hot Rod Magazine with the amazing Wes Allison, photographer extraordinaire. And then we're also going to take the lessons we learned today and the little changes we got to make, actually some little, some big, to better the car, make the car safer, work more proper. So when we hand it over to Matt, it's right on the money. So what a great day, and we'd like to thank Hotchkiss and all the guys who came up here today, who invited us, Hot Rod Magazine, of course, for allowing us the honor to get featured today. So we're going to have a little more fun with the car, and then we're going to be taking it on home. So we'll show you more on the next thing we do. See you.